Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha and I do beauty videos and throw in a little lifestyle here and there as well, just depending on what I'm feeling. I feel like it's been a while since I sat down and filmed a video. Last week I only had one video up. It's been really hard lately, especially with my Wi-Fi, to stay consistent in uploading twice a week. Also, I've been pretty busy this past weekend, so that's kind of kept me from filming as well. But I'm glad I can get back into it because I love just sitting down and talking to you guys. Today's video is going to be a what I got for my 21st birthday. I had some friends request this, telling me I should do this video, and I guess I just thought it would be fun to do. I've never done this before. I wasn't on YouTube for my last birthday, so I just want to say that these gifts are all very mixed up and separated, so I'm not going to try to organize them and categorize by who got me what. Most of you guys probably don't care about that anyway. Of course, I am extremely thankful to every single person who got me a present. I'm not the kind of person that has to have a birthday present. It's just not like that important to me, especially the older I get. I just want to be with my friends and my family for my birthday. That's the most important thing for me, but I am really appreciative to everyone who got me a present, and I'm just going to go through these pretty quickly, so I'm not going to take the time really, except for at the end I will talk about the present my husband got me. For the most part, I'm just going to go through these really quickly and show you guys what I got just for fun. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I want your love. Alright, so this is my big bag that's really heavy. I'm gonna put it down now. I put all of my presents in this bag because I got this bag with one of my birthday presents. I just figured I can just put everything in here, especially for this video. First thing in this bag is quite large, and it came in this bag when it was given to me. So I'm gonna show you guys, see if you can kind of get an idea. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna hold it back a little bit. This is a big, like, picnic platter basket thing that you would put like a platter of food on if you were going to like a picnic or an outdoor thing where you were taking food, and it's huge. My sister got this for me, and part of the reason is because of this thing. It has like this netting with ridges in it that keeps it held up, and it closes like this. So, whoa. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like basically like this little picnic basket platter. It's really cool. I don't even know what you would call it exactly, but like I said, my sister got this for me, and if you know me, you know that I'm kind of a OCD person in some ways, and the number one thing that I hate the most as far as like creatures or insects is flies. Flies to me are the most disgusting thing on planet Earth, and they don't bother some people. It's not a big deal. Flies, part of life, whatever. For me, they really gross me out because, as you know, flies come from maggots, and maggots are disgusting, and they feed on nasty things, and so do flies. So I just have like this really deep hatred for flies. They're like my ultimate enemy. And so I love like picnics and outdoor food things. I love it so much. I love the feeling and the summeriness of it. It's amazing. But the one thing that I hate about it is flies. There's so many flies in this area, especially because we have so many farms around here. Like, there's a lot of like Amish people and even just regular people that have farms, dairy farms. There's just so much. And so there's constantly just flies everywhere. Like, especially if you live close to a farm, like you can smell it when you walk out of your house in the summer, and then the flies just attack you. So like, you know, some parks, some houses, some places around here, when you go and eat outside, there's just a lot of flies. And I know that was a long rant about flies, so I'm sorry. But that is why my sister got this for me. It's because it's like a food platter tray thingy that has a cover over it. So when you're outside, you don't have to worry about using like saran wrap or something that's like literally not going to do anything to keep the flies away. You actually have this whole thing that keeps them like a long way from your food, which is really nice. I really appreciate that. Definitely will be using this whenever I take food to like an outdoor party or have a picnic with my husband or anything like that. This is nice. Thanks, Maria. Okay, so moving on from that. So I have this box here that is really, really cute. My family did like a surprise party for me on Friday night, which was the day before my birthday. My sisters and my niece kind of like picked out this theme, like the palm leaves, which I think is really cute. I really like the palm leaves with the pink and the gold. It's really pretty. Anyways, this was just like my card box, and I got to keep this, but I just put some random things in here that didn't really make sense to just throw them in the bag. I have 2 candles. This first one is Better Homes and Gardens Essential Oil Infused Candle. This is in the scent Rosemary and Spearmint. I really like this because it's so different from like most candles I smell, but to me this smells exactly like the mint tea that I grew up on. Like we used to have it all the time in the summer, like fresh mint tea from the garden. And it smells exactly like that. I love it so much. Like that's the best tea in the world because it's so fresh and like it's unlike any other mint tea. It totally smells exactly like that, and that's kind of why I love it. I'm definitely gonna have to burn it before the summer goes and disappears on me. I've had like barely any candles to burn this summer because all of my candles are like fall scents. That's just what I go for. Normally I don't burn that many candles in the summer. I burn candles more in the fall and winter time, but I do love having some like summer scents to burn. And this one's really nice. I'm gonna have to go like this like immediately after this, but I've been keeping it in this bag so I don't like forget anything and forget to talk about anything. The next candle is this wood smoke candle from DW Home. I love DW Home candles. They're amazing. It smells like woody and warm and vanilla-y, like a campfire. It smells really good. I love these little mini sizes. They're adorable. I have a couple more things in this box. I have this, like, I guess you could call it a makeup brush holder. Like, that's probably what I'll use it for, is makeup brushes, but you could use it for probably like a candle holder if it would fit in here. Oh, that one doesn't fit. But probably if a candle was thin enough, it would fit in here. You could use it for that. You could use it for a wine bottle. I mean, you could use it for like different stuff, but I'm probably gonna use this for makeup brushes because I think this is so cute. Look at this marble and this rose gold. It's so pretty. And then I have a little necklace here as well. My brother got me this gold necklace with like these inspiring words on the side and then these little diamonds in the middle. Fake diamonds, of course. I was gonna wear it today with this, but I don't think it would look right with this shirt because it has like this high neck thing here, so I decided to just show it to you guys. And then last in this box, I just have a bunch of gift cards. I got a Visa gift card, an Ulta gift card, a Home Goods gift card, which I freaking love Home Goods. And then I actually also got another gift card for TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods, so you can use it anywhere, which is really nice because I love all 3 of those stores. And then I got 3 Starbucks gift cards. I have to mention this one really quickly because my brother gave me freaking $100 to Starbucks. How amazing is that? $100 to Starbucks. I'm so thankful for that. That's amazing. Now I don't have to pay for my Starbucks for like quite a while. So that's awesome as I drop all of them. So that's that box. The next thing I see in here is a lipstick. This is the L'Oreal Color Riche Shine lipstick in Vanished Rosewood. I've been wanting to try these for forever. I'm actually wearing this one on my lips today. I think it's so freaking beautiful. It's like this really cool rosy pink shade, and I love how moisturizing it is. It feels amazing when you apply it to the lips, and this packaging is so cute. I love it. I really have been into moisturizing, more sheer kind of lipsticks these days. That's just what I'm into, especially this summer. And then I have a couple bags. Whoa! As the candy falls out. But yes, I got a couple bags of candy. I love candy, especially like gummies and like soury, sweet, chewy things. I'm not really as much into chocolate. I like chocolate, but I just like gummy candy. I don't know. I'm a child. What can I say? I also got this like healthy mint gum from my sister. I actually really like this package. Like, this is so adorable. Another thing I got is this adorable, freaking adorable little like oil diffuser thingy. I'm not quite sure how this thing works. I haven't tried it yet because I've been keeping it in here. It also came with this orange essential oil, which smells really good. Yes. Love orange essential oil, but I don't have any right now. So I'm going to open this box and show you guys what this looks like because I've already unpackaged it once. And be careful because it is glass, so I have to be careful. But this is what this looks like. And this is so freaking adorable. Look at that. It's like a little mini diffuser. And I haven't discovered how to use it. It has like a wick. It's like really, really tiny. I'm going to put this in my bedroom. And I think you just like put water and essential oil in this little thing. And then you put the wick in the hole here. And then you like stick the little lotus flower thing on top. And it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. I love it. I'm gonna put it in my bedroom right after this video. These things, I don't know what you call it. It's like a ceramic, I don't know, it already smells good right now. I think it helps to like release oil scents into the air really well or something. I'm not sure how that works, but this is really cute. I also got this little like wooden platter thing. I love these things because I love like cheese and meat and cracker trays. I love those things and I love eating them at parties, taking them to parties, whatever. So I think this is really cute for like a little mini like cheese and cracker tray. I'm going to definitely use this summer. And then I also got, this makes more sense if I explain who gave it to me. My brother-in-law is like really good at cooking, kind of like a chef or whatever. And he gave me this fancy olive oil and like a really good knife because it's like whenever I come over and I cook at your house now, like I have a good knife, which I have good knives, whatever. But fancy olive oil too, really pretty bottle. I just want to like keep this on my counter forever. And then I have some drinks as well in here because it is my 21st birthday. Got a bottle of Barefoot champagne, Barefoot bubbly pink Moscato. I love this stuff. I had this champagne at my wedding. I wasn't 21, shh, don't tell. But this is the champagne we had at my wedding. We had like the regular stuff that comes in the green bottle that's clear for the guys, but we had this pink stuff for the girls. And I got this Barefoot Refresh Rosé Spritzer. I love wine and I love rosé and I'm really excited to try this. I've never had this in particular stuff before, so I'm excited to try this. It looks really yummy. Those are some of the alcoholic beverages that I got. They're in my fridge right now, but my friend also gave me like a pack of rosé ales. I'm not even sure what the brand is, but I love rosé, so I love them. Then here is something that is not alcoholic. This is a sparkling beverage, pomegranate and elderflower. You can get these at like Every Home Goods and some Marshalls. I love these kinds of drinks, like these sparkling beverages that you can't just find at the grocery store, but you find them at random stores, and they're like different yummy flavors. I love this kind of thing. This is a really pretty bottle my sister gave me, and I think this is just beautiful and I'm sure it will be very yummy. And then we're running down to the last few items, but I have this little mug that my father and mother-in-law gave me and it's so freaking cute. I can try to let it focus for you guys so you guys can read it, but it probably won't focus. It says, "I never dreamed I'd grow up to be a super cute daughter-in-law, but here I am killing it." How freaking cute is that? I love that. They treat me so well. They're amazing. And then the last thing I have to mention before I talk about my husband's present that he gave to me, which is the main one and super exciting, but this I am so excited about. This is so amazing. My friend Margaret, I have to mention her because she's so sweet. She gave me my favorite perfume ever. This is amazing. I love this perfume. This is Jo Malone Blackberry and Bay Cologne. I have talked about this before on my channel several times. I'm in love with this. I have like the small, tiny little size, but I never would have gone out and got the big size. But she gave this to me and she's amazing and I love her so much. And I will cherish this forever and it will be sitting back there on my vanity. So you'll probably see it in future videos that I post. Oh, it smells so good. I freaking love this. I love Jo Malone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and talk about my very favorite, most amazing present, and I wanted to mention this last. This is for my husband, my loving, darling husband who is amazing, and he got me this leather bag that I'm absolutely 100% in love with. It's amazing and beautiful. This is from a brand called Urban Southern, and they have like some of the highest quality leather that you can buy on the market. Their leather quality is amazing. It is top notch. The people within the company are absolutely amazing people and they do such an amazing job. Their brand is amazing. If you haven't heard of Urban Southern, be sure to check them out. I'm going to leave their link down below in my description box so you guys can go check them out if you like leather bags. I freaking love leather bags. They have so many different varieties. They have big ones like this. They have small ones. They have little clutches. They have crossbodies. They have a whole bunch of leather bags and they're amazing. A lot of my friends and family have bags from Urban Southern, and I have been wanting one for a really long time, but they are very expensive, very pricey because their quality is top notch. So I have not spent the money on them, and my husband was amazing enough to buy me a bag. And I want you guys to like see this fully, but like it's kind of, I'm afraid it's not gonna all come in frame because like I'm not sure how much of it's showing, but it just looks like this is like this big tote bag. I love tote bags for like shopping and every day. I just love tote bags. I love the way they look, and especially leather ones. I think they're so beautiful, and he got me like the perfect color that I want. I like this brown color over like a black. It smells so good. It smells like pure leather. It's amazing, and it's so beautiful, and I love like the raw look of it. I love that it doesn't have like a shiny top coat or finish over it or something like that, because I do have another leather bag from Banana Republic that was a lot more affordable, but it has like this shiny finish over the top, and it just doesn't look as much like real leather as this one does. So I'm in love with this. It's beautiful and amazing. He also got me a gift card to my beloved Sephora. I love Sephora, of course. I don't shop there as much as Ulta though. Like, it's really expensive, but I'm really thankful that he got me a Sephora gift card because I freaking love Sephora. This purse specifically, I believe, is called the Urban Tote. I think that's all. It's just the name, like the original Urban Tote bag. And it comes just by itself with like a pocket on the inside, but you can buy a insert for the bag separately, and I'm going to take it out and show it to you guys because it just comes right out of the bag. This is what it looks like. It's just like this pouch that has all of this organizing. I'm not going to try to tip it too much, but it's got all the space for organizing and these little inserts, and then it has like pockets on the side. I'm really glad he got the insert for me, because I really like that I can organize everything, and like some of the stuff I can just put in there standing up, which usually it would just be like thrown into my bag, so that's really nice. But yeah, that is the last birthday present that I got for my 21st birthday. Again, I'm so thankful to everyone who got me presents. Nobody had to get me a birthday present. That is not important. Like, I just wanted to see everyone, and I'm really thankful to everyone who came to my birthday party on Friday. It was mostly just like family and close friends, but that's kind of more my thing anyway, and thank you to my family for surprising me. And yeah, like I said, thank you to everyone who got me presents. That means a lot to me. That's it. That's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I just thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different like this. I love doing different videos. I know sometimes makeup tutorials and talking about makeup gets kind of old, so I like doing just like a chill, relaxed, calm video. It's a lot of fun. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Join the fam. I love when you guys subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or it made you smile, or anything like that. Leave a comment down below for any video suggestions. Let me know what you got for your birthday this year, if it has already happened previous to mine. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!